खुशामदीद मोहतरम नाजरीन के MA न्यूज़ चैनल में आप सभी का खैर मकदम है। वज़ीर अक़लियती बहबूद मोहम्मद अज़हरुद्दीन ने आज महबूबनगर ज़िले में काका वेंकटा स्वामी मेमोरियल तेलंगाना इंटर डिस्ट्रिक्ट T20 क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट प्रोग्राम में बतौर मेहमान ख़ुसूसी शिरकत की और तेलंगाना में ग्रास रूट क्रिकेट को मजबूत बनाने की अहमियत पर जोर दिया। इज्तिमा से खिताब करते हुए वज़ीर ने कहा कि ज़िले सतह के टूर्नामेंट नौजवान टैलेंट की शिनाख्त और मुसाबकती नुमाइश फराहम करने में कलीदी किरदार अदा करते हैं। उन्होंने इस बात पर जोर दिया कि रियासत और मुल्क की नुमाइंदगी करने के काबिल खिलाड़ी पैदा करने के लिए अच्छी तरह से बरकरार ग्राउंड्स और बाकायदा टूर्नामेंट्स ज़रूरी है। हैदराबाद क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन HCA के ज़ेरे एहतमाम ये टूर्नामेंट 22 दिसंबर से मुनक़िद होगा, जिसमें तेलंगाना के अजला में 29 टीमें और 55 मैच खेले जाएंगे। अज़हरुद्दीन ने निचली सतह पर खेलों को फ़रोग़ देने के लिए महबूबनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन, ज़िले इंतज़ामिया और मुकामी क़ियादत बशमूल MLA जितेंद्र रेड्डी की कोशिशों की सताइश की। ऐसे ही ख़ास और अहम ख़बरों से अपडेटेड रहने के लिए चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और फॉलो करना ना भूलें।
Guest on the dais, respected collector madam, and Shivlal sir has always learnt a lot from him and all the members of the Hyderabad Cricket Association. I'm very happy to be here at this ground. The ground looks lovely. The wicket looks very good. I think Chandu has done a great job. But I think the wicket looks green. I think Chandu, you should cut the grass, mow the grass a little bit. Otherwise, you'll have a very shortened game because the wicket is going to swing a lot. But I'm very happy to be here. I think the Mahbub Nagar District Association have done a great job by building this ground. I hope that, as you said, that you're going to have first-class matches. I think if stadium comes, maybe you can have a bigger match than that. But I think now you've got the facilities. You worked very hard for it. You fought for it. And Jitendra Reddy Saab is here, and he's always helped sportsmen. So he's got a job on his hand. I'm sure he will definitely look after your association. But at the end of the day, you have to be honest when you do some work. When you have got the stadium now, just stay honest and work hard to produce players from this district. Otherwise, simply having the ground and not producing any players, so it's no good for us, no good for anybody. But I'm very hopeful that these things will not happen, and you'll definitely do a very good job and produce good players who can go on to play for the state and as well for the country also. And I'm very happy to see the Kaka Venkateswamy Memorial Tournament here. I mean, I have great high regards and respect for Vivek Bhai, and I think you have done a great job by holding to this. And Venkateswamy sir, I have met him 4 or 5 times, but the work he has done for the betterment of the people, I think is unparalleled. I think he really worked very hard. We've learned a lot from him. And then Vinod sir, though, I cannot forget him because he's a pillar of strength for me, because whenever I was playing, I must tell you one story. Every day before going for practice at 3 o'clock, he used to make me eat very heavy food. So that, and I always used to tell him, sir, अब क्या इतना ज़्यादा खाना खिला दे रहे, मैं प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर सकता हूँ. बोलता नहीं, अब खाएंगे तो ही प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. So that I cannot forget your effort towards me. I think you have been a large part of my life. You have really helped me and encouraged me. I cannot forget. And all the people who have helped me here and encouraged me, all the people with your prayers have come here to this level, and I'm very, very hopeful that this tournament is going to be a grand success. And as Shivbhai has already said, that it's going to be forever, it's going to be a yearly affair. I wish the association the very best. I hope you really work very hard and do good service for the betterment of cricket. I'm always there to support. My blessings are always there, but people didn't want to take it when I was there. Anyways, thank you very much for having me here. I wish you the best and have a very good tournament. And to the players, really enjoy your game. Don't worry about anything. Don't take any tension. Give tension to other teams. Okay? All the very best. Good luck.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable
Kaka Venkata